As we look at cellular respiration, we start a lot of times with glucose as an example starting molecule that we can break down through that process. But we want to know just in general what types of molecules represent good fuel sources for cellular respiration. So if we think about this a little bit more, the types of molecules are really going to be organic molecules. So organic molecules are very good fuel sources in general for cellular respiration. And if we think about what an organic molecule is, this is really a molecule that contains both carbon and hydrogen. So if we have both of those together, we're going to have a very good fuel source. And really, the more carbon that we have connected to hydrogen, the even better the food source is going to be. So if we look at these molecules that are listed here, which is a lot of the molecules that we looked at in chapter 3, carbohydrates, amino acids, proteins, fatty acids, lipids in general, all of those are going to be good food sources that we can use. So yes, all of these are good. Now if we think about which one is best, or in other words, which one has the most energy available, well, again, the one that has the most energy available is going to be the one, if I just change the color here, is going to be the one with the most carbon to hydrogen linkages. And that's because the electrons that are held in those linkages are going to be very high energy electrons. So if we have a bunch of those, then they're going to be even better food sources. So if we go through here, while they are all organic molecules, when we get down to the lipids and the fatty acids, since these are primarily hydrocarbons, they have a lot of high energy electrons really packed onto them. So those are going to be kind of the highest energy molecules that we could use for this purpose. And that is why when we talk about fat molecules or fatty acids, we say that they have more calories packed into them than carbohydrates would have. So these would be higher energy, but all of them would be good food sources for cellular respiration, or good fuel sources, because these are going to be organic molecules.